Welcome to the National Weather Service Spokane's weekly weather briefing for Tuesday, February 17th, 2015. Overall, the weather for the upcoming week looks pretty quiet. We are looking for a continuation of our recent mild and dry weather pattern Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. A subtle pattern change is expected Thursday night into Saturday. The mountains will have the chance for some light snow accumulations, while the valleys will have clouds and a small chance for rain. Cooler and drier weather is expected Sunday and Monday. Here is the 7-day forecast for Spokane, showing above average temperatures Tuesday through Thursday. It will be warm, but we should fall short of the record warmth we experienced last week. By the weekend, our high and low temperatures should be closer to average for mid to late February. So far, February has been unusually warm over the Pacific Northwest. For the last several days, a large high-pressure ridge has been over the western United States. The jet stream has been shunted well north into Canada. Mild and dry conditions have prevailed over Washington, Oregon, and Idaho, while the eastern U.S. has been cold and stormy. The jet stream will undergo a shift by Friday. The high-pressure ridge will migrate to the south and west, suppressing our warm and dry weather southward into California and southern Oregon. We are looking for a couple of upper-level disturbances tracking along the jet early Friday into Saturday, bringing the potential for light mountain snow and a bit of valley rain. Cold Canadian air will also have the opportunity to bleed into our region over the weekend, bringing our temperatures closer to normal. Here is our initial snowfall forecast for Thursday night into Friday. These accumulations are for the first shot of snow Friday morning. Another shot of light snow will be possible on Saturday. The mountains of southern and central Idaho, the Panhandle, will have the best opportunity for receiving snow Friday morning. Elevations above 3,500 to 4,000 feet in the Clearwaters and southern Shoshone County will have a shot at 1 to 4 inches of accumulation, including Lookout Pass on I-90 and Lolo Pass on Highway 12. Temperatures will be marginal with this system, so our confidence in these accumulations is low at this time. If this system comes in a bit warmer, snow may not stick or precipitation may fall as rain. The possibility for snow Friday and Saturday will do little to improve our shortage of snow in the mountains. Here is the latest snow water equivalent image from the NRCS. Our most significant shortages are currently over the Cascades from central Washington into Oregon, where snow water equivalent values are well below 50% of normal. The western United States has been remarkably warm to begin the month of February. Over the last 14 months, the biggest warm temperature anomaly has been over the northern and central Rockies. Conversely, the eastern half of the country has been much colder than average. Much of Washington has experienced temperatures close to 10 degrees above average so far in February. The recent warm spell has been quite remarkable. Spokane has experienced the warmest February 1st through 16th on record, with an average temperature of 42 degrees. For Lewiston, this February ranks the second on the list of the warmest on record. With cooler, more seasonal temperatures expected this weekend into next week, it is unlikely that this February will end up as a record breaker. Here is an update on the drought status over the western United States. The driest conditions remain over California and Nevada, where several years of dry weather has led to extreme drought. Rains last week over Washington and North Idaho have led to some improvements in soil moisture. Overall, this water year, most of Washington and North Idaho has been close to average for precipitation. However, in central Washington, subsoil moisture, mainly a foot or more below the surface, remains dry due to precipitation shortfalls over the last 2 or 3 years. The 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center is valid February 25th through March 3rd. It looks like our mild high-pressure ridge will remain south and west of our region next week. There is a chance for cooler than average temperatures and the possibility for slightly above average precipitation. The upcoming northerly flow pattern next week will be tricky. A subtle shift in the jet stream could change this outlook significantly. Weather impacts are not expected to be particularly noteworthy over the inland northwest for the next 7 to 10 days. In summary, we have low confidence that the snow will have much of an impact on travel late Thursday night into Saturday. Snow levels will be relatively high, and snow may not accumulate very well. Our best chance for winter driving conditions will be above 4,000 feet in the Camas Prairie and above 3,500 feet in Shoshone County. The snow we receive will bring little to no improvement to our shortages in our mountain snowpack, and our drought condition will likely remain status quo. So please monitor our forecast throughout the week for any updates. Check us out on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Thank you for tuning in to this weekly weather briefing.